Okay, step 4 in making your journalism portfolio website is dedicated to a custom header. Some of them don't have them, but a lot of students, the first thing they want to do is make the cool image that goes across the top of some themes. To find that, you'll need to find this customize button, which if you go to the front page of your site when you're logged in, should be down here on the bottom right. Click on it. This should get back to your header image options on it. This one is 1100 by 250 pixels. Okay, one of the best ways, you can either use Photoshop, or if you don't have Photoshop, I like PicMonkey. That's picmonkey.com. You don't have to log in. You can log in if you want to. Just click Edit to get around logging in. And it's a good free photo editing online software. I'm going to go to one of my photos here. It's important when you're picking a photo that you pick one that doesn't conflict with any text that's on there. And the main thing is to get it formatted correctly. Alright, I'm going to pick this one here. You'll also notice the size, 3 megabyte. You should definitely check on your site the size, but if you get the pixels correct, it should be less than a megabyte and not too big a size. So we're going for 1100 by 250. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is click on resize here. So this is 2300 by 2000. So I'm going to change this to 1500. And I think that should be right. Yeah, we're still 250 and 1100. So I'm going to hit apply. And I definitely want to keep the proportions correct here. I don't want it distorted. Again, it may not look like it did anything, but it made it, so hopefully we can use most of the image when we crop it. So I'm going to crop to, one more time, 1100 by 250 by 250. And you can see over on the right, this is what I'll be able to work with here. So I'm just going to get their faces in here, and then I'll apply. Then I'm going to save. And I'm going to pick the highest quality I can out of this and save it to my computer. As you can tell, 300K, it's not a very high quality photo, but it'll keep your website running fast. Hopefully it'll give me some saving options. I'm going to name it 1 so it's at the top of my folder. And then I'm going to name it header image. And it's in photos, hit save. Now I can go back to my site and add new image. Select file or drag and drop. Photos, 1 header. Open. Select. It's wanting you to crop it. I've already got it cropped perfectly, so we can skip that. And now I have a nice header image at the top of my page. Obviously, I'd like to find something that was more journalistic or a headshot of mine. Having a photo shoot for your header or image of this type could be a really nice project. All right, I'm going to save and publish. Close out. And that's how to make a nice header image that's correctly formatted.